Welcome to this short video review of a Kahles Helia 5 1.6 to 8 by 45. This scope is brand new. It was introduced in 2014. It is produced by the famous company Kahles, which is producing scopes from 1898 in Vienna in Austria. It is one of the oldest rifle scope manufacturers in the world, and this is their brand new series Helia 5. Like the name indicates, all scopes from this line have a 5x zoom ratio, and the Helia acronym is well known for many generations for scopes made by Kahles. This particular model comes with an instruction manual, similar like other Kahles scopes, with a warranty card. The warranty is 11 years. It is also equipped with a lens protecting caps, cleaning cloth, and so on. The scope itself, it's really nice because it is really compact, light, small, so it's a great choice for anyone who is looking for a light scope on a light rifle. It has a 42mm objective lens, 30mm tube, and a magnification range from 1.6 all the way up to 8. It weighs roughly half a kilogram, so it's really light. The optics is brilliant, really bright, clear. It has a great edge-to-edge sharpness, everything what we expect from a premium European top quality scope. It has a field of view which is on magnification 1.6, almost 26 meters per 100 meters, and this is really outstanding field of view. All the lenses are fully multi-coated, and the outer surfaces of the lenses, like here and on the objective sides here, are covered with a new coating made by Kahles, which reduces the accumulation of dust particles and especially water, so it doesn't fog at low temperatures. If you breathe on it, it doesn't accumulate water. It has a nicely adjustable fast focus eyepiece for the correct diopter setting, and the entire build quality is really high. You can feel it. This is really a premium European scope. The reticle is located in the second focal plane here, so it stays the same when you change the magnification setting. It has a normal reticle number 4 with an illuminated dot. This illumination is controlled really simple with a turn of a knob, like here, where you can set the appropriate intensity level. It nicely clicks when you come to 0 position, and it has a really clever design. It is called the automatic light. It can be used either from bright daylight. The highest intensity levels are strong enough even for the brightest daylight, and on the other side you can really have a fine dimmable settings for the low light use. So it's a really universal illumination. It turns off if the scope is left untouched or it doesn't move, so it has an auto turn off function. It also has an indication of low battery. The reticle blinks when the battery life is low, and it also has a position sensor which turns off illumination if the rifle is not used, if it's in horizontal position or in vertical position or on both sideways. Then the illumination turns off automatically. However, when you use the rifle scope again, when you put it in a shooting position, the illumination turns on immediately, almost instantly. The turrets are normal with caps, hunting turrets. They have a click value of 1 centimeter per 100 meters and really nice feel. You can feel every single click, so they give great confidence. As you can see, the turrets are sealed, and also the entire scope is sealed against water and dust and filled with dry nitrogen, so it can be used even at low temperatures without any internal fogging or dew accumulation on the internal surfaces of lenses. So if you make a short summary, this is a universal scope meant for driven hunt, for stalking, especially stalking, and at magnification setting 8 you can also shoot on fairly long distances, on medium range without the problems. On 1.6 magnification it has a wide field of view of 26 meters per 100 meters, so it can be used also on driven hunts. It has a sophisticated illumination system, which is really easy to use, but on the other hand it's really high tech. And it has a great optical quality, really premium glass with high transmission rate, great edge-to-edge sharpness, great resolution, no tunnel effect, and so on. Okay, thank you.